Welcome to the Firewalla 1.63 app release. Thanks for choosing Firewalla. We've added global search to make it easier for you to find things in the Firewalla app. Now, you can use the search bar on the main screen to look for features, devices, groups, networks, users, or rules. For example, SSH will take you to the SSH feature, and a device name will jump directly to the device. Up next, take a look at the new visual indicator for rule status. A blue bar on the left of the rule indicates it's within its scheduled time, while a gray bar means it's not. A banner on the rule's detail page shows upcoming activation or deactivation. If you have a time limit rule, the indicator will also show you the remaining time of the day, or if the limit is reached. To make tracking user activity easier, the user list now shows real-time app usage with a blinking green dot, allowing you to quickly view what app the user is actively using. Tap and enter the user's detail page to learn more. If a user is pinned to the main screen, the shortcut widget will show activity status in an app icon next to their name. User activity detection is available on all boxes and now supports more apps like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Disney+, with more to come. Unlock more uses for the Groups and Users feature by applying features to individual devices within a group or user. For example, in a media group with ad blocking and other rules, you can prioritize your TV or your gaming server with Smart Queue for lower latency or connect it to a VPN. This feature cannot be applied to rules like block, allow, and time limit yet. With Firewalla's improved device identification, Social Hour now blocks the internet connection on all personal, media, and entertainment devices automatically. Enjoy an hour of quality time with your loved ones, free from distractions. Newly registered domains is a new target list that can block all NRD sites. This list is updated frequently to help protect you from potential malicious sites that lack an established reputation. Please note that blocking NRD domains is still experimental, and that it may create issues if a false positive occurs. Two new parental control categories, violence and drugs and alcohol, are now supported in beta mode. You can use these categories to create blocking rules for specific users or devices, or enable blocking in Family Protect's native mode settings. To round off the list of new features, we've also made enhancements to alarm blocking. Since Firewalla can identify video gaming apps and alarms, now you'll have the ability to block traffic or mute those persistent alarms altogether. This concludes the updates for App 1.63. For more information, visit firewalla.com.